Topic, it's towards a better you. How many of you all, or rather how many of us want to move towards a better self? Come on, show me hands. I know everybody, but I want to see.
Vikas.
Hello.
Okay, great.
Everybody.
Each one has to take responsibility of themselves and answer for themselves.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Exactly, Tulsi Priya. It's all for the best. However, when we are in that phase, we don't realize it. Okay, great. So what do you expect out of the session? We'll have just first few minutes, like some 3-4 minutes, just for an introduction. Let's introduce each other. I'll just start with mine. I'm Dr. Sukhmeet, and I'm a consultant homeopath by profession, master and an NLP master practitioner, an internationally certified life coach, and a Gestalt therapist as well. Right? I've been attached to a couple of consultants as a couple of firms as a consultant coach to their organizations. And I do take one-on-one sessions with people to help them move to the next level. Hi, Molloy. Nice to see you here. Great. Okay. So welcome aboard, everyone. And let us all make this an interactive session. I'm sure many of you all would be knowing a lot of a lot of things which we're going to talk about. You all are free to share. Just raise hands and we can get connected, and we can mute ourselves otherwise. Right? Okay. So today we're not going to have a very conventional stress management session like always. Okay, describing the different type of stresses and the stressors and what is eustress, what is de-stress. Not at all those kinds. I'm sure all of you know that, right? Most of us are trainers here.
Yes.
Great.
Yes, of course, yes.
Yeah. So one second, I'll just share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, great. One second. I'll just... Okay. Right. So if you can grab a pen and a paper, we'll just try and write certain things while the session is on, so that we can work on ourselves. Okay? I think it'll be a lovely awareness that we can give each other, right? Grab a pen and a paper, and here you go. Just write down for yourself. You don't even need to show it to anybody. What are the different things that bother you?
I'm sorry to, just put a question in between.
Sure.
I'm Priya. Is
Priya.
this being gets recorded? I mean,
we do record the sessions. The host,
okay.
The Learners Conclave host, Elroy, does record. However, we check the bandwidth and the network issues before, once the session is recorded. Only if it is worthwhile, then we put it across in the groups. Okay. So
thank you so much.
Yeah. But it does get recorded otherwise.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
All right. So I would want you all to just write down what are the different things that bother you generally in life. Like, you know yourselves, right? And you know the things, I'm sure, what bothers you. These are the general aspects of life which you can focus on. Okay. While you write all these aspects, like whatever issues you have in each of these aspects, you can write down those. At the same time, I want you to draw this wheel of life on your papers and rate yourself, okay, starting from 1 towards the center of the circle, and going towards the end of the circle, it is 10. So the least being 1, the maximum being 10. Rate yourself as to, in this aspect of your life, where do you stand today? Okay, this is the wheel of life, and this will give you a complete awareness as to where you are in this phase today, as of now.
Sorry to interrupt you. This is
What
Piyush.
does
1 second, please raise your hands and talk so that I can, yes.
hello, ma'am. This is Vaibhavi.
Yes, Vaibhavi,
Ma'am,
tell
I
me.
don't. Ma'am, I want to know that here, spiritual. What does it mean in this context?
Okay, so spiritual is not like literally sitting and meditating whole day and all. It's when you think beyond normal, when you are above all the worldly issues and petty things in life, you think beyond that. There are many things which don't bother you, and you are way beyond your thought process is much more evolved. Okay, you can move more towards spirituality. How much do you work on yourself? It's that actually.
Okay.
Anybody else? Any question regarding this, please?
Okay,
So I'll just read out the aspects.
yes.
Spiritual, physical is your health. Maybe you want to lose weight, you want to work on your health, your immunity or stuff. Intellectual, as in what all till now you have learned in school, in your school, colleges, the knowledge that you have gained so far. Rate yourself according to whatever you have gained so far. So then family, what are your relationships with your family? What are the things that you need to work on in your family? Okay. Social, how are your social interactions? How much do you socialize, and how good are you at managing your relationships with others? Career wise, again, where do you stand? Where do you want to reach? Financial wise, what are your financial goals? Have you reached them? Okay, and how far are you from them? So are you done? Good to go. This is only and only for your awareness. That's it. Otherwise, we would have never thought of these aspects otherwise.
Yeah, done.
All right. Should we move on? Yeah? Okay, great. Please give me a yes to go ahead.
Yes, you can.
Great. Yeah, great. So we move on from here. This word, what does this make you feel?
Makes us feel more stressed.
Exactly.
Definitely, it's a very negative word.
It is, right? It has a very negative connotation to it.
Creates anxiety.
It creates anxiety, yeah. What else?
Uncontrolled mind.
What? Please.
Uncontrolled mind.
Uncontrolled mind. Okay.
Loss of energy.
Pressure, anxiety, uncontrolled mind.
It's a negative emotion.
Negative emotions.
Negative emotion, right?
It is loss of energy.
Depression, negative emotion, loss of energy. Okay. Opportunity for trainers, yeah. Low energy rather. Anxiety, negative thoughts, right?
It makes you pessimistic also.
Yeah. Okay.
Crisis in the market.
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
Market crisis, stress again.
Market crisis and stress. Yeah, so we also have few positive replies saying, for me, it's awareness to make myself ready to cope. Okay, now before we proceed further, I want to request all the names to be renamed on your name. Moto G5 Plus is replying, for me, it's awareness to make myself ready to cope. ACE education, alert to give focus. When we move out of a comfort zone to a new zone, amazing. We love to resort to this at every chance, right? Our brain gets into stress. Yes, Veena, thank you. You can change the name, you can rename it. Pressure. All right, that's good to go. That's really
Doctor,
nice.
it gives you an opportunity to just reflect back that, yes, you have already reached to a stage where you need to do something about it.
Great. That's really nice. Who was this?
Yeah, Deepak
Great.
Sharma.
Okay, Deepak, thank you. Okay, not to carry it as we have more beautiful things in life. True. If taken positively, stress is actually good according to a study. That's perfect. What is this? Aviral. Okay, Aviral. All right. So, yeah, exactly. Okay. Are we all comfortable with English? I just started off. I forgot to ask you whether all of you were comfortable in English.
That's fine.
That's fine, right?
Yes, completely fine.
Madam,
Okay.
Hindi, English.
English, that's a good one. English, ठीक है, मैं बीच बीच में हिंदी भी बोलूंगी. जिसको कुछ नहीं समझा, please feel free to ask, right? Okay, so, okay, so क्या stress हमेशा negative होता है?
No.
Not necessary.
Not necessary. True. So, अगर एग्जाम्स नहीं होते तो क्या हम पढ़ाई करते थे? मैं तो नहीं देती थी एग्जाम्स, पक्का.
नहीं.
Right? हम नहीं पढ़ते थे. So, and the stress which any cricket player feels before the match, is it normal? Will he perform? Yes, go on.
So that's why I use the word uncontrolled mind, because if my mind is in control, we will use it in a better way.
One second.
But if
The
our
rest
mind is
of
in
you,
control, it will take.
okay, the rest of you, please mute yourselves. Request you to, yes, sir, please go ahead.
Yeah. So ma'am, I was saying like I used when you asked what is stress, I use the word like
Uncontrolled mind.
Uncontrolled mind. Right. So if our mind is uncontrolled, we will take it as a negative way.
True.
Right. As
Very
you are
true.
giving an example of exam. In our childhood, some people were taking as an opportunity that we will go in the next class. Someone saying, "ये क्या ही आ गया फिर से, हर बार आ जाता है, कौन बनाया paper?" Different. So it's all about the uncontrolled mind, how we are tackling with the situation.
Right. True. Good. So exactly, stress does have a negative connotation to it, but it's not always negative. Little amount, that optimal amount of stress is definitely required for us to perform well, right? 1 second. Why is this not clicking? Okay, here. So here we have a model. Okay, this is not something. 1 second. I think I'll mute everybody so that. Just give me a
Doctor,
second.
can we say that this is just like a rubber band? So everybody has a capacity to bear their stress, and to a certain extent. And as you said, that optimal level of stress is okay, but
okay,
after that,
I'll come to that. Yeah, I'll come to that. When you stretch beyond your capacity, you can, it can break, right?
Yeah, that really becomes a stress.
That becomes stressful, definitely. All right. So we now move on. Yeah. So if we deal with each of our emotion, okay, as per this module, it becomes very, very simple for us. Or, okay, let's take each at a time. Okay. Activating event or adversity. Okay. First, identify what is actually stressing you. What is the cause that actually caused whatever you are feeling today? Okay. If you want, you can, while we are talking, you have your pen and papers in your hand, right? Handy around. Just mention some issue, and seriously, trust me on that. If you really do this, okay, you will actually get your answers. Okay. So write down what was the trigger, what was the cause which actually caused the entire stress within you right now. Okay. Any feeling which has been bothering you, anything, any issue which has been on the mind since long. Okay. Write down. What was the cause?
How can I just want to ask one thing. How we can sentence like
I can't hear you.
wrong according to our
1 second.
am I audible?
You are, but I request all of the others to please be on mute. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
So, ma'am, I will just ask
Please
you, like,
announce your name
the things
and
which bothers us a lot. This usual.
you are?
Uh,
Okay. Anyways, tell me your question, sir.
Okay, so ma'am, I was asking, you are asking what are the things which bothers us a lot.
Okay. Which has been on the mind
I
for
just
long
wanted to
now.
ask if the things are not right. So if the things are not happening according to our choice,
Yeah.
how we can sentence it? How can present it in a one word?
Okay, so write it as a trigger that okay, this somebody who's not listening to you caused you to think whatever you are thinking. Okay, as of now, just write somebody not listening to me caused this. Simple, right? Just write it as it is. Don't try contemplating your your feelings or something into words or jargons. Just write it as simple feelings and the trigger, rather the cause. Okay, and what is your belief? What was the feeling that, what is the belief that rises from this event? Okay, it is not the event, actually it is your belief. Okay, that so suppose I get less marks in maths, the belief comes up like oh, I'm not good at maths. Okay, and then the feelings, the consequences. Okay, the consequences like, oh, you start feeling those physical symptoms. This is the consequences, would be more of that mind body connection, the symptoms, the physical and the mental symptoms that arise within you because of this belief, that would come into consequences, right? So please write all these three. So what is the activating event? What is the cause? What is the stressor? Identify it. Okay. What is your belief about the whole thing? And what was the consequence? Like, what were the physical and mental reactions to that belief? Okay. Now, once you have written all this, you dispute that belief. Ask yourself, how did you form the belief? What is the evidence that you get? From where did you think that, okay, this is true? What is so true about that belief? किसने कहा आपको ये? कहाँ से, किसने कह दिया? कहीं रूल बुक में लिखा था क्या? वो क्या बिलीफ थी वो लिखिए, एंड उसके साथ ही लिखिए कि what is the other option? What is the alternative that you can, if you would have not thought like this, what else you would have thought? Okay, वो लिखिए. Replace that belief. Okay, replace that belief with another alternate belief. Okay, which is more positive. Okay, what else can I think? Okay, it's okay to get less marks once in a while in maths, right? It doesn't make you feel, it doesn't certify you as a loser or as a failure, right? Okay, and wo belief, once we have replaced that belief, uske hisab se socho fir. Now when I'm thinking, when I've installed this belief in me, now what does it make me feel? How does that make you feel now? Okay. I'm trying to read the chats while I'm giving you time to work on your beliefs. Are you done? You can write as many actually. You can work on this later on as well. Have you been able to get any alternative belief which would help you? Okay, D is disputation, to challenge the irrational belief. So the belief is something which you know, you have felt about it. It is not true. It is just your thought process. Now you have to change your thought process and put an alternative, like अपने आप से पूछिए, इसके सिवा ऑप्शन क्या है मेरे पास, मैं और क्या सोच सकती हूँ या सकता हूँ, right? What is the other thing that I can think instead of this? When someone lies to us every time and we get hurt, how we can change this belief? What is it about that which makes you feel hurt? Is it your expectation towards the person that is making you feel hurt? Or has it been every time that that person has hurt you? Mr. Money? Right? नहीं ना, ऐसे और भी टाइम होंगे जहां उन्होंने आपको हर्ट नहीं किया होगा, खुश भी किया होगा. So what are those instances? Where have ask yourself, are you judging the person, or are you judging that, or are you just putting a belief, replace it with the new belief. And now with that belief, no, it's okay, that person has also helped me while I was in need. Okay, and then think about the same scenario. Fine, we move on. Otherwise, you won't finish. What I want to explain further down is an amazing concept of NLP, right? So I would want to cover up that as well. Okay, now ask yourself, what am I choosing to change? Something that comes out of my circle of control? Okay. Something that is not in your hand, something that is unchangeable. Am I trying to change that, which is not in my circle of control? Instead of this, what is the choice that you can make that is in the circle of control? And now that you have made this choice, how does it change your belief? How does it change your behavior? How does it change the feeling? Vivo 1919, I don't know who you are. So you said, wait, there are people who deliberately try to hurt us and it never changes them. Then how to replace thinking? Okay, so what is it about that? Is it, ये किसने बोला? उन्होंने कहा आपको कि हम जान के आपको hurt कर रहे हैं? Or it is your assumption, it is your belief? Why would they want to do it? Correct. Belief comes from past, Dinesh. Belief comes from past experience, and experiences are good or bad. True. Try to take the remote control with yourself. Perfect, Anil. Things which are out of control hurt a lot, and later it gives stress. So identify your circle of control. Each one may have it differently, right? For oneself. So what you have to do is you choose your, you make your own circle of control. कि ये मेरे control में है, ये मेरे control में नहीं है. उसका मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. Am I responsible for somebody else's behavior? No. I can change only my behavior. I cannot change somebody else's behavior. And why should I even attempt to do that? Right? Beach mein, I'll tell you a few things. Not my monkey, not my circus. So these are very good in life, these are very helpful in life. My mentor taught me and I am yet continuing it. Okay. Example is, am I responsible for this coronavirus? Outside my control. Fine. You want to talk about control? Here you go for the current situation. Okay. What can I do in today's scenario? What is in my control? Taking precautions, right? Finding constructive things to be done in the lockdown period. और हमारे हाथ में क्या है? कुछ है? नहीं है. So why can we exactly look for opportunity, Anil? Very true, right? The actions of others is out of my circle of control. And most of us are dwelling in this. और हमने ये सारी चीजें जो हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, उसको हम ऐसे समझ बैठे कि हम ये कंट्रोल करते हैं, which is not true. correct? And that is what is causing the stress. Now, again, I would repeat the same questions. What is it that you're choosing to change? Does it lie in your, is it changeable? Does it lie in your circle of control? What apart from this can you choose from your circle of control? Okay, and what can you do about it? Right? Exactly, Anil. This interaction is also because of Corona. Very true. Okay, so once I have defined my circle of control, okay, I abide by it and I go ahead, and then it doesn't bother me. Correct? Next. I'll move on to the next slide. Any questions? Suddenly ऐसे सन्नाटा हो गया तो I'm worried. Okay.
No questions, just listening and trying to, understand.
Very good. Good. If there are any questions, please feel free. Let us make it interactive. Okay.
Yeah, it means the session is going fine.
Great. So
Not.
Absolutely. No. I don't want to listen to the not part of it.
That's wonderful.
Okay. Yes. This is one major issue in life, right? The self-talk. Okay. ये जो हमारे अंदर टेप चलता रहता ना, आधा प्रॉब्लम, आधा क्या, इनफैक्ट मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इन लाइफ. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दिस सेल्फ टॉक? अगेन, ask yourself, you have to you should be able to recognize it. Okay, write it down on your paper for yourself. What is that self talk? आपके अंदर बार बार ये कौन सा टेप चलता रहता है? Okay. Okay, 1 second. I think lots of chats. So, oh, I'm sorry. Ma'am, controlling our mind is not so easy, but our mind goes behind the uncontrolled things. तो आप किसी और को वो control क्यों दे रहे हो? Control तो आपके हाथ में ही है, right? I like your way of teaching. Thank you so much, Ashish. Exactly, leaving it, Nishta, ignoring it, carry on. It is great to listen. Okay, thank you, Nishta. Winter and summer are not in control. Very controlled by fabric controllable. Excellent, Anil. Wherever sometimes situation goes out of hand and control is empowered by emotions. What should we do in that scenario? Again, start identifying the cause. A, B, C, D, E. It's simple, correct? Or if it's not happening from your end, resort to help. We can always connect. Right? Future insecurity again. So what is this? DTDC's iPhone. Okay. Future insecurity. Let me intervene at this point of time. Remember one thing, rivers. Okay. Rivers, Nadi. Rivers cannot come reverse. R-I-V-E-R-S. I'll type it down. Uh-oh. Reverse cannot go reverse, right? So, जो पानी बह चुका है, that is the past. That is never ever going to come back to us. Correct? जो पानी आया नहीं है, वो उसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि वो हमारे पास पहुंचेगा कि नहीं. अगर बीच में किसी ने कुछ पत्थर या कुछ रॉक आ गया या कुछ भी आ गया, that will take a diversion and go somewhere. Correct? But what we have in our hand is the water which is present right in front of us. जो हमारे सामने बह रहा है वही हमारी वो उसी का हम यूज कर सकते हैं. Correct? How we respond decides 90%. Perfect. How this is self-talk, positive, negative. Okay, I will take the chats a little later. Otherwise, हम यहीं पे अटके रहेंगे. Belief to grassroots, then try to heal as remote with yourself. You cannot be happy and okay. 10% of events are always out of control. Perfect, Moin. Okay. Living in present helps. However, we tend to live in the past and future. Again, the choice lies with you. Okay. So, हमको वो reins of control. Please mute yourself. Or mute your dog, which is again not in our control. ओके, देखा, तो हम अपने आप को तो म्यूट कर सकते हैं, वो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. सी. Okay, so as I said, identify the self talk. वो कौन सा टेप आपके वहां आपके ब्रेन में, आपके माइंड में बज रहा है, उसे आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए. Once you have recognized it, you should be able to recognize, and I'm sure you will be able to recognize it. हर एक को पता होता है कि I'm not good for anything, I am a loser, I've always been doing this, I cannot do that, whatever. You know, वो सब हमारा self talk हमसे. In fact, when I take sessions on communication, this is one thing which I stress on the most. This is the most important communication, the one that you have with yourself. Okay, बाकी सबसे तो लोग अपना बेस्ट ही देते हैं ना. Like when you communicate to others, everybody behaves the best. सबका creamiest part बाहर आता है. But the thing that you talk to yourself is the one that you know is most important, and that decides everything. That decides your reactions, your responses, everything. Okay, now there are four in fact there are many ways. Reframing, so I mean I can take entire lecture only on reframing with NLP. Okay, but right now I'm not touching that NLP bit, because once I start, मेरा भी वो tape शुरू हो गया NLP वाला, तो it's a little difficult for me to pause. But okay, so how can we tackle this self-talk? So I have identified 4 steps. One is recognize. Okay, identify that self-talk. Write it down. The moment you write it down, you are already aware. Okay, and you allow yourself to accept it. That is when you write it down. एक अपने आप से हमने कमिटमेंट कर ली है अभी, और जब हम अपने आप से कमिटमेंट करते हैं तो खुद की भी नहीं सुनते, राइट?
मान बन जाता.
ट्रू. ओके, सो उसके बाद रिकॉर्ड इट, मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट. ठीक है, मेक अ नोट. एंड अगेन वो मेंटल टेप बज रहा है तो हमको समझ आ गया कि ओके, दिस इज द एक्चुअल रिकॉर्ड विच इज कॉन्स्टेंटली प्लेइंग ऑन आवर माइंड. Okay, and then rethink. Okay, now as I said, install a different belief, different you know, thought process. Now if I say, okay, I hate maths. Okay, maths क्यों आ रहा है actually? I love maths, but anyways, I hate maths. And if I suddenly install it with the belief that, oh, I love maths, my mind is not going to accept it, because my mind is so conditioned of not doing well in maths, and that wo tape jo baj raha hai, it has made me believe that okay, I'm not going to be so great in maths ever, right? So if I then try and install this belief that okay, I love maths, my mind will be in a doubt कि यार ये बोल तो रहा है, but क्या ये सच है? Okay, so don't give it a belief that it will not accept. ठीक है, वो नहीं देना है. In fact, you can ask yourself, what is it about that? What is about this maths that can make me feel good? Maths is just an example, of course. You can take any situation. What is it about this thing? I hate to do this work. Okay, what is it about this work that can make me feel a little good? Or you can ask people who love doing it. Saying, अरे यार तुमको इसमें क्या अच्छा लगता है? And probably you get a better perspective out of it, right? And once you have realized this, you repeat it. The brain recognizes things only by repetition. And the moment you keep repeating it, it gets installed. Okay, let me ask you at this point, हमने last ABCD कब पढ़ी थी? बचपन में, right? Hello.
Yeah, yes.
Right? And did we ever have to revise it after that? हमने कभी रिवाइज नहीं की.
Yeah, kids get.
है ना?
In childhood we did it, and after that we did not need to do it again.
Correct. So, okay, Sudha, I will definitely repeat the steps. Okay, let me just finish with this. So, मैं बताया, हाँ, ABCD. हमने last ABCD कब पढ़ी? बचपन में. हमने इतनी बार repeat की. We repeated it so many times that it has gone so deep that it will never ever get deleted from our folder. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so that is, in fact, when I take my I take sessions on reprogramming of the mind. Okay, brain reprogramming I call it. And when I take those sessions, I you know, take them through that journey as to how you can repeat, rather how you can install that new program in your mind. Okay, Okay, yeah. So I'll repeat the 4 steps. Recognize, okay, the 4 R's. Recognize, record, rethink, and repeat. Okay. Somebody can put it on the chat, please. Recognize, record, rethink, and repeat. Okay. Yeah. So once we do this, we are good to go. It gets, you know, and then after we have repeated it many times, it gets installed, and that it becomes, you know, it goes on that autopilot mode. जैसे ABCD हो गया है हमारे लिए, वैसे ही ये भी इतना deep चला जाता है कि it becomes a part of our system. It becomes a part of our behavior. We don't have to struggle to do it. But initially, you have to take voluntary efforts to do it. Okay. Next, time management. I think a lot of people would have, you know, read a lot and listened a lot, heard a lot about all this. So I'll not go in a lot of detail about it. One thing I would like to tell you is we are all blessed, be it Narendra Modi, be it Donald Trump, be it me, you, anybody. We are all blessed with 24 hours in a day. Okay. What we do in those 24 hours, you know, gives us our position and our achievements in life. So आपके पास आपके पूरे 24 hours का हिसाब किताब होना चाहिए, right? You should know at the end of the day how constructively you are using it. Okay. Okay, now you can also have a to-do list and plan and prioritize, see what is urgent, see what is most urgent and most important, do it right then. बाकी सब आप delegate कर दो, avoid कर दो, okay? Okay, why this is not true for Hindi alphabets? Of course it is true. आपकी ये belief है ये. It is true for anything and everything in life, Deepak ji.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this is one very, very interesting topic which I want to talk to you about. I would really want you to pay very good attention. अगर ये समझ गया तो life काफी हद तक sort हो जाती है. Trust me on that. Okay. Yeah. So now what happens? Okay. I will remove the slide first and okay. Let me ask you. Does anybody know कि हमारा brain कितना बड़ा होता है? कितना उसका weight कितना है approximately या size कितना है? Whatever. कितना बड़ा होता है हमारा brain?
It has a liquid, and when that liquid is comes out, it's the size of a blackboard.
Blackboard? Blackboard? Wow, man.
When it
Okay,
has
physical,
a liquid.
physical.
We have.
Okay, sweetheart, physical. I'm talking about the physical size of the brain. Of course, you're absolutely right. It's not only the blackboard, it's the world.
3 kg?
3 kg, Kavita ji bol rahe hai. Okay, Kavita. Anybody else? Come on, any guesses? Exam thodi de rahe hain.
250 gram.
Who's this? 3 to 400 grams, 15 centimeters. Okay, morning ritual medicine. Yeah. 1300 to 1400 grams. Who said? Somebody said 250 gram also. Okay. So clap for yourself. Whoever said 250 gram. It is actually 250 gram.
Kiran. That's me, Kiran.
Kiran, congratulations. You are absolutely right. और आप जीत जाते हैं अपने लिए ये perfect goal. आपका goal achieve होगा जी. All right.
Thank you.
Okay, so 250 grams is perfectly right. अब सोचो बेचारा नन्ही सी जान और कितना लोड लेके हम उसको जीना पड़ता है, right? एकदम 250 grams is what? What do you call it? पाव किलो. I mean, imagine छोटा सा बेचारा. It is when, okay, I'm a doctor, so when we do dissections and all, when we are studying, we could hold the brain in our hands literally ऐसा छोटा सा. Okay, so it's that small, but poor guy has to receive tons and tons of information from the world. Okay, and what does it do? How can it handle it? It cannot, right? So it has to do something, na? Okay, what does it do? This is the input coming in from the environment and all around. Okay, it has to filter. Now, what are these filters? These are deletion, distortion, generalization. ये कैसे होता है? ये क्या होता है? Deletion. Okay. Suppose you are walking from your workplace to your house or vice versa. I'll give you very, very simple and day-to-day examples, so it'll become easier for you to understand. Deletion. What happens in deletion? You actually see, I don't know, maybe more than 1,000 to 5,000 people, or maybe even 10,000 people from the time you leave from your house, depending on where you stay and where is your workplace. From your house to your workplace, okay, you may be seeing so many people, but you don't remember everybody's face, right? Do you? No. So जो बट अगर आपको बॉस दिख जाए तो तुरंत आपकी नजरें देखेंगी ही देखेंगी उनको. Definitely, it cannot afford to delete that person, right? So जो our brain also recognizes those things which are important for us. It doesn't recognize things which are not important for us. It deletes it from our vision. Okay, that is deletion. Very simple. Distortion. Distortion क्या होता है? Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose my friend and I, okay, okay, or say my husband and we go for a party, okay, and I am a total party person, dance party as in no night parties and all, but yeah, I love enjoying Punjabi by default, so we all love to enjoy and party and whatever. But now if I have really enjoyed the music, I have loved the dance and whatever, okay, I've come back the next day, my husband and me are describing to our friends, okay, I'm saying, wow, what a party, it was so rocking and it was amazing. And my husband is like, what nonsense. Just an example, of course, we are on the same page otherwise, but otherwise he might, or maybe it's my friend, she might say, oh, it was such a noisy party, the crowd, it was too much, I couldn't handle that much, it's just overcrowded and itna loud music, I got such a bad headache, mujhe neend nahi aayi, so both of us went to the same place, but you see how one person has a different image and the second person has a totally different image, right? It is completely distorted. Environment same tha hamara, lekin humne kaise distort कर लिया उसको as per our experience, correct? In generalization क्या होता है? हमारी एक या दो bad experiences we generalize. All Hindus are like this, all Muslims are like this, all Punjabis are like this, all boys are like this, and all girls are like this. This is generalized. Always मेरे साथ हमेशा यही होता है. Okay, सब लड़कियां ऐसी होती हैं, सब लड़के. These are called as generalized statements. This is what we do. अब ये सब हम क्यों करते हैं? क्योंकि हमारा जो programming fit है ना, software हमारे brain में, okay? our brain is like a computer. So हमारा जो software होता है fit, okay, उसमें ये सब जो ये दिख रहा है, language, memories, decisions, beliefs, values, all this, okay, this is our programming. ये कहाँ से होता है? Our past experiences, our values, belief systems कहाँ से आते हैं? They come from our upbringing, from our friends, relatives, आजू बाजू वाले, मतलब ज्ञान देने वाले तो दुनिया में हमको हमेशा मिल जाते हैं ना. ये मत करो, वो मत करो, लोग क्या कहेंगे. Okay, now this is another major caption of our lives, right? आधी जिंदगी तो हमारी ये सोचने में निकल जाती है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लेकिन हम क्या करें, लोग कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, right? लोगों का, come on, somebody.
काम है कहना.
Absolutely, वो तो करिए.
चार लोगों को पकड़ के लेके आओ, वे चार लोग क्या कहेंगे.
Exactly. So ये अगर लोग क्या कहेंगे, हम भी वही सोचेंगे, तो वो बेचारे क्या सोचेंगे, उनको सोचने दो जो सोचना है, हमको अपना काम करना है, right? So that is the way we are, we are so accustomed thinking about people that we stop living our own lives, right? Or certain things like हमारे में ऐसा नहीं होता, हमारे खानदान में ऐसा नहीं होता, all those things, those are values, beliefs. Certain things हमारी religion हमारे में डाल देती है कि हमारे religion में ऐसे नहीं होता. ये these are all our, ये जो software है, जिसकी वजह से हमारा ये सब deletion, distortion, generalization होता है कि लड़कियां छोटे कपड़े पहने तो अच्छी लड़कियां नहीं होती है. I stay at Bandra, and अगर मैं ऐसे सोच के चलूंगी तो मतलब हमारे यहाँ तो कोई अच्छी लड़कियां होंगी ही नहीं, right? Okay, now ये सब filtration
मैडम ये अंधेरी में भी होता है,
हर जगह है. This was just an example. What I meant is Mumbai in general. But अगर समझो कोई ऐसी लड़की who's dressed in small short clothes is taken to a village, the entire village will start gossiping and talking about that girl, because they would say like, hey, isko kya, whatever, large sharam nahi hai kya, and isko badon ke samne kaise aana hai, all that will start, you know, the stereotypes जो होता है वो शुरू हो जाएगा उनका, ठीक है। अब ये सारी प्रोग्रामिंग के बाद जो फिल्टर होता है उससे क्या होता है, उसके बाद एक हमारा then we add our own meaning, right? This, because of all this, we add our own meaning to the entire thing. Okay. And when we add our own meaning, okay, what we form is not the reality. We form our own map of reality. जो हमने बनाया वो हमारा नक्शा है. Because of our programming, हमने ये अपना एक नक्शा बना लिया reality का, जो reality नहीं है, right? It is
our perception.
These are perceptions.
That is our belief system.
So because of our belief systems and values and all of that which I just spoke about, वो उसकी वजह से हमारा ये जो बनता है ये है हमारा map. Okay, now my map may be different from your map, map may be different from somebody else's map. हम सबके map अलग होते हैं क्योंकि हम सबकी upbringing, हम सबका environment, सब कुछ अलग होता है, right? So because of this, जो हमने बनाया वो हमारा map of reality है, correct? और इसमें हमने अपनी meaning add कर दी और उसके बाद install हो जाता है कि यार पिछली बार इसने ऐसे किया था, ये तो ऐसे ही करते हैं हमारे साथ, right? Please put yourself on mute. Okay, so फिर हमने जो meaning add की, that creates the whole problem. Okay, उसकी वजह से फिर जो हमारे आते हैं वो हमारे reactions और responses होते हैं, correct? So now that creates the whole difference. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide. It is our choice, entirely our choice. हम इस stage पे रुक सकते हैं, right? We can change. हम जो हमारा map है, ये ऐसे नहीं है कि हमेशा के लिए बन गया है. We should change it. Okay, so you all are aware कि जब Google Maps बन रहा था, I'm sure उन लोग ने, they were not accurate on the first day itself. They also must have kept updating constantly, and then they probably included so many things. They kept updating it. लेकिन हम तो update करने को तैयार ही नहीं होते. Right, हमारा तो मतलब बन गया तो बन गया वो programming. We are not ready to change it. Correct? This is wrong. We should be changing it. We should be updating our maps. Okay. See here, it's also written largely unconscious and running on automatic for most people. But the good part of it is that we can all change our maps. We can all update our maps, right? And once we update our maps, okay, let me just go through the beautifully explained, Dr. Sukmi. Thank you so much, Saloni. Ma'am, share your contact details. Yes, I will. One bad experience will give you the intensity to the event that other may not be feeling what you feel. True. Bullying. One takes it as joy and fun. Other finds it horrifying. Absolutely true, Dinesh. Okay. So,
excuse me. So, Doctor,
yeah.
are you saying that we can actually change our belief and value system?
So we may not change. We can change all this because it is just our belief. It is not that it is the truth, you know. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay, जब हम map देखते हैं तो वो map में कोई जगह जैसे दिख रही है Google Map में, वो reality में तो वैसे नहीं है ना. It is just a pictorial representation of the actual area. Are you understanding?
Yeah, but those values and belief has been the result of so much of experience, years.
Exactly. But it is yet changed. It can be changed. It is not like the 100% final declarum के नहीं ये बस इसके बाद अभी change नहीं हो सकता.
Map only will give you the relational positioning of the objects or the thoughts that you have.
Perfect. True. So,
ma'am, Sudipto here just wanted to tell one thing.
Yes.
The previous 4 steps that you actually described.
Right.
Probably, if we understand and inculcate that properly, then probably we can change. I mean, the last step, that is repeat. If we repeat the same things continuously, probably the mindset can change after a while.
Yes, it does. Definitely. That is why I said कि repetition is a must. You know, repetition होगा तो ही वो brain recognize कर देता है और वो automatic autopilot mode पे चला जाता है. Then you don't have to work towards it. But initially you will have to make voluntary efforts. Like efforts, sorry. जैसे ही वो thought आया, okay, immediately you have to say, okay, no, put, voluntarily, you have to make efforts to to stop right there. Okay, this is, by the way, this is the way how I work towards people who also have addictions, or of course the stage is important again. So aise sab to, I know where to put a full stop, when we need to work on that person. Okay,
Ma'am, one thing over here, like how
Yes.
to understand which belief is right, which belief is wrong. Like
Okay,
how
if
to
it-
differentiate that.
Perfect. So if it's causing you any issue, it's causing you ill feeling, it's causing you stress, you work on that belief. If it is creating happiness, then you don't need to believe, no need to change that belief, right? There are so many beliefs, like जैसे हमारी religion वगैरह में इतने beliefs होते हैं जो हम चुपचाप मानते हैं, and they are not harming us, right? तो हमको क्यों चेंज करना है? अगर हमको उससे खुशी मिल रही है तो go ahead, please do it. I'm not here to tell you to change all your values and beliefs totally. You don't need to. What doesn't work for you, don't change them. Sorry, what doesn't work for you, change them. What is working for you, giving you happiness, you don't need to change it.
But when you are in a group, ma'am, like when you are in a group and like a lot of people have their own belief, so at that time it creates a like a lot of issues when people have different beliefs and they are not on the common ground.
Exactly. So what is the issue here? They will be different, ना? आपके घर में आपके siblings, okay, आपके भाई बहन, your siblings, your children, whoever, you all are all different, isn't it? We have same parents, but we are all different from our siblings. We have children, and our children are different from each other. Why so? Because सबका programming अलग है. एक चीज से एक, as I said, we distort things. We distort things as per our processes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, great. So, this is clear. Please show me some hands, or please at least type a yes on the chat so that I know it's clear.
Yes, it's clear, ma'am.
Great.
Yes,
great.
yes, it is.
Do you think this is helpful? It's going to help you change your mindsets?
Sure.
Yes.
Thank you. Great. Okay. Let's move on further. I have to check the time. As I said, one second. Let me go on to the next slide.
8:25.
Okay. Yeah. That's what I was just seeing my watch on my computer. Yeah, this is another picture which describes, as we see the entire world, and then through all the senses, we perceive everything through our senses, right? And then we delete, distort, generalize through, these are our filters, okay? And then what we create is the map. And remember one thing, the map is not the territory, okay? हम उसको टेरिटरी मान रहे थे कि यही हमारा जीवन है, बस इससे हम अभी चेंज ही नहीं उसको चेंज करना ही नहीं चाहते, बिकॉज हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन में आ गए हैं. करेक्ट? सो एंड इफ यू चेंज योर maps, you will be able to change your entire world. Okay. Also, one more thing I would like to add here. Ab every person has a different map. They have created a different map. Okay. Now, when हम कभी-कभी बोलते हैं ना कि यार ये that this person is amazing, this person क्या मस्त है, क्या मस्त connect होता है. Sometimes you just love a person at the first meeting only. Now, why does this happen? या कभी-कभी ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिनसे हमारी कभी जिंदगी में पटती नहीं है, right? Why does this happen? Because your map is similar to the map with the person whom you have connected to. कहीं ना कहीं आपके maps मिलते हैं, okay? And जिससे आपका map total contrast U-turn होता है, उससे आपके maps नहीं मिलते unless either of you is ready to change your map, okay? That is, so you can connect to anybody, you can disconnect to anybody. As I tell you this, I want you to understand that the reins of control are in your hands, okay, and nobody else.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 second, I just want to share something.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly like what you just said. It's true. You might not remembering me, but I just remembering you well. Like we met first time on you and Raina ma'am has conducted one session on Raghulila.
Kandivali.
And after that we just met today. See, and whenever I do that meditation now, kaan pakad ke for memory, every day I'm remembering you.
That's
Love
so
you
nice.
so much.
Thank you so much, my dear. Thanks a lot. Okay. Yes. Yes, we move on. Okay, so as I said, reaction, the stimulus, okay, this is the event which happens, and the response. So I'll give you one equation, okay. I'm really sorry, I'm not really so savvy in using the whiteboard on the laptop. I don't have the laptop pen, okay. So otherwise I would have, whatever I explained to you right now, I would have, drawn it or whatever, explained it to you over the whiteboard. However, E plus R is equal to O. Now, what is E? E is the event or anything occurring around in the environment, okay? And R is our response, okay? O is output, outcome, okay? So, event plus response gives you the outcome. Event हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, outcome हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, तो हमारे कंट्रोल में क्या है? Only our response, okay? So what you can change is, one second, there is somebody on the chat wants to, no issue, you explained it so well. Okay, thank you so much, Deepak, thank you. E plus R is equal to O, very good. Thank you, Elroy. Okay, so now what is in your control? I spoke about circle of control. The response is in our control, okay? And that is entirely our choice. React versus response. Now, react versus response, you can either react or response. Reactions are totally, spontaneous. They're not really thoughtful. They're not mindful. Please put yourself on mute, dear. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, reactions. Okay, reactions are not, very thoughtful. They are absolutely spontaneous, doesn't involve much thought in it, okay? Whereas responses are totally thoughtful, totally mindful, and very, which involves a lot of our wisdom, and we choose to react or we choose to respond, okay? For example, what will happen if you, वो एक सोडा बॉटल लिया आपने और उसको जोर जोर से हिलाया, क्या होगा? Come on, what will happen if you sorry,
सोडा बाहर आ जाएगा.
सोडा बाहर आ जाएगा, right?
थोड़ा प्रेशर के साथ बाहर आ जाएगा.
सोडा प्रेशर के साथ बाहर आ जाएगा. Absolutely correct. Yes, Anita, response comes with understanding. Absolutely true. Reactions are after effect. When you act without thinking for a moment, respond is completely in our control. Absolutely correct, Dinesh. Thank you so much. And yes, it will spill around. True, my husband is also somewhere listening to my webinar. Thank you. Okay, so yeah, where was I? Okay, spill हो जाएगा for sure, without any doubt. Okay, और यही अगर आप एक मिनरल वाटर के साथ करोगे तो क्या होगा? जितना मर्जी हिलाओ, सारा दिन भी जोर जोर से हिलाओगे तो क्या होगा? What will happen to the mineral water? Will it spill out when you open the bottle cap?
No, it will not.
So you can choose to be the mineral water bottle, or you can choose to be the soda can, whatever you would like to. This will help you either control your reactions and response. If time permits, I will definitely give you a couple of examples on this. We are running a little short on time, so I'll just first complete, and somebody can remind me to talk about this later on, if at all. I promise to give you a couple of examples or talk about it if the time is there. Okay, now what else affects, stress affects our relationships also a big deal. As I mentioned, for me, most important, relationship is the ones that we have with ourselves. Okay, now what is the relationship with that we have with ourselves? Now this all again depends on the self-talk, our inner critic. Okay, by the way, there is an amazing technique in NLP which I use for my clients to deal with the self-talk, with the self-critic. Okay, because that is something which completely blocks our growth, blocks our moving ahead, our thought processes, everything. So we can deal with that very, very effectively. So again, with ourselves, we need to have the best. मैं मेरी best friend हूँ, as many of us, or are Kareena Kapoor ने कहा है जब we met में, so I remember that very well and I really abide by it. Okay, what is the name of the technique for self-talk? Which technique are you talking about, my dear? The one which okay, NLP. NLP is neuro-linguistic programming, which is again a way. I would not call it a course or something. It's now so much in me that I just live it. It's a way of life, actually. Very true. Very, very true. Okay. Reaction is from child ego state and response is from adult ego state. Perfectly right. This is what she's talking about is transactional analysis, which is again another way of life. Okay. These are all, you know, ways to evolve yourself. Transactional analysis, all these therapies, Gestalt and REBT, that is rational emotive behavior therapy. We do it when we study mental health. NLP is again, it's neuro-linguistic programming. Okay. It is reframing, it is changing the submodalities, lot of them, Nivedita. Okay, we can, you know, seriously, we can have, I can have a whole day session on all those techniques and NLP. Okay, now, relationships with your boss, your employee, your spouse. Let's talk a couple of minutes on the relationship with your spouse. I think all of us would have gone through a lot of ups and downs in relationships with everybody, not only with our spouse. However, more with the spouses because we live with them, right? So I would hear certain things, you know, I have, in fact, thankfully, by the grace of God, I've been able to help a lot of relationships to get sorted, especially saved a lot of divorces, by the way, just by helping them see the spouse's perspective. उनको दूसरों का नजरिया दिखाना चाहिए बस. Again, there is another NLP technique where we show them the other's perspective, which is so good, so good. और वो, how much ever I tell you over the phone like this, when you experience it right in front of me, it is other level ka maza. You know, that awareness, I can see it. You know, it is so evident. Anyways, for your spouses, I would really want to tell you one thing. Do what you did from the first day, you know, so you will never find yourself short of love. When we are newly getting into the relationship, we are head over heels in love with each other, right? धीरे धीरे वो fondness पता नहीं कहाँ गुजर जाती है. Okay, and we feel, oh, we don't have the time. And especially in our Indian scenarios, once we have children, we forget that we are husbands and wives also, right? Never do that. My mentor, from where I learned my psychology from, he always used to say, don't forget you're a mother, you're a husband and wife first before even becoming a mother and father. You people in India forget that you're a couple first. You know, this is what he used to always say, right? Oh, Dinesh, that's very nice. Emotions are high when it comes to spouse. I only hope that they are high on the positive note. High positive feelings in your core and try and let go of negatives. Absolutely true. Okay. So, yes, you know, kya hota hai? I also have a video on my channel says, which says that, okay, my mentor, unfortunately, from whom I learned psychology is no more. He was Father Berkey from St. Xavier's. Anyways, so where was I? Yeah, I just slipped off my mind. Okay, somebody? Good topic you picked. Yes, I know. So, did I was talking
Before
about...
anything, you are husband, wife.
Yes, वो तो हमको भूलना नहीं है, correct? And seeing the other's perspective again, okay? In any relationship is a very, very hot topic, not only hot topic, okay? Yeah, and boss and employee again, just showing my client the other person's perspective. I have helped a lot of people get over their conflicts, you know, interdepartmental conflicts, okay, by this technique, okay? Which is so true and which is so effective, you know, just seeing which we can see it on our own as well, but not many people unfortunately are at that level. तो उनको दिखाना पड़ता है. बदलती है नजरें तो बदलता है नजरिया, right? नजर का इलाज है, नजरिए का नहीं. Okay, so remember that. Now next, see this. Sometimes you need to look at things from a different perspective. And that is all which gives the solution. So Only if you are ready to do that, life is sorted. Trust me. Yes, Sudipta, thank you. What technique? Showing the other person it's about empathy. It's about placing yourself in the other person's shoes and seeing the entire scenario. Okay. Yeah, non-violent communication also talks about a lot of that. It's so silly at times because you get to know there is just a mist between them that separates them apart. Exactly, Dinesh. But then when they are in that phase, they don't realize it. तो उनको दिखाना पड़ता है. And unfortunately, the sad part is that they don't want to take any help. Most of them, right? वो mindset ही नहीं होता. लेकिन you need ना, if somebody is in a well, उसको क्या दिखेगा? अंधेरा दिखेगा. तो कहीं पे वो opening होगी तो उसको दिखेगा ना कि हाँ चलो यहाँ पे opening है. From darkness to light, कौन उनको lead करेगा? जिसके हाथ में torch होगी. So you be the torch for them. Correct? If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. हमारे Wayne Dyer जी ने कहा है ये. Okay? And this is what I would want you to do. Choose to make the rest of your life the best of your life. Okay, this is from my end to you. This is all in your hands. The control, the reins of control is in your hand completely. And now, this is the end of my session, ideally, but I would want to yet give you the first, okay, let's keep it open for question answers. I was so scared when Android told me, can you please wind up as fast as possible, because he knows when I start, I can go on. Anyway, putting in other shoes. Yes, the basics of NLP, one suppose. True. 2 hot bulbs, blow hot, blow cold, nahi hota. Please show previous slide. Okay, this one. It was too less. Oh my God. We can have a whole day session. Want to have more of you? Okay, sure. Okay, so I'll tell you now. Any questions? Any questions? Please put up the questions.
Ma'am, sometimes we hesitate to speak and to show our emotions and what we feel. So how should we cope up in that scenario?
Sorry, come again.
Sometimes we cannot speak what we think or feel in front of that person because that person may feel bad, or sometimes you're not comfortable in speaking. So how can we express our feelings in that situation?
You are unable to express, you said? Please, the rest, please keep yourself on mute. Yeah, tell me, who is this?
Vaibhavi.
Yes, Vaibhavi, I'm so sorry. You said you are unable to express because आपको लगता है कि they will feel bad about it, is it?
Sometimes I am not able to speak or express. So how can I be more expressive in that manner?
Is it required to express? पहली बात तो get out of that लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला mode, right? Again, are we in the लोग क्या कहेंगे वाला mode? कि उनको बुरा लग जाएगा, वो क्या सोचेंगे हमारे बारे में? Is it that?
No, ma'am, it's not that. It's like how I am feeling that person, how to express that it to that person.
Correct. So that you'll have to work on being more assertive. Okay, you'll have to be really working on that. Okay, what is being assertive? Assertive is, assertiveness is something where you stand up for your own values, your own rights. Okay, and at the same time you respect that of the others. So you have to be very clear of what you are feeling and what you are experiencing, and at the same time put it across in such a way that you are not offending the other person's feelings as well. वो भी एक art है, वो भी एक तरीका है where we, one second, somebody is on the chat. Okay, so where we need to work on. Okay, so I'll give you an example of assertive communication. For example, किसी ने आपको बोला है मेरा एक काम मेरा एक काम कर दोगे, and you already have a lot of work from your end. Okay, this is some random thought which came to my mind, so I'm just putting it across. You can relate it to the scenario which is there in front of you. What you can do is, अभी समझो मेरी कोई friend है और मुझे आके कहा कि hey Sukhpreet, you know, can you do this for me? And I'll be like, yeah, sure. You know, I'll do it for you, but मुझे पता है internally कि यार मेरा तो please put yourself on mute. Okay, so you know internally कि यार मेरा तो खुद का काम इतना पड़ा है और अगर मैंने अपना काम नहीं किया तो मुझे भी बॉस डांट देगा या मेरी डेडलाइंस मैच नहीं होगी or whatever. Like, but how do I put it to my friend? She's so close to me. She is, you know, very dear to me. अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो मैं वो बुरा मान जाएगी. हमारा relationship अच्छा नहीं होगा. You know, whatever. And my thoughts go on and on. Correct. But at this point of time, how I need to react, I'll show you. I'll tell you rather. So when this person comes to me, okay, I'll tell her, yeah, sure, I'll definitely help you. Correct. However, I just need to finish this much bit on my for my project. Okay. And once I'm done with this, I'll definitely just give me some time or whatever time you want, half an hour, 1 hour. So what you're doing is you are taking a stand for yourself, right? And at the same time, you are, you know, telling it to her so politely and nicely that you know, she will take it very positively. She will at least know of my intention that I want to help her. Correct. She'll know of that intention कि यार इसको मदद तो करनी है but बेचारी you know अपने काम में फंसी हुई है, whatever. At least वो intention, my intention will go across to her. Correct. Now once I have told her this, okay, ना दिस इज डूएबल ना, मैंने कुछ इतना रॉकेट साइंस वाला कुछ नहीं बोला, इतना तो मैं बोल ही सकती हूँ कि यार हाँ मेरा ना थोड़ा सा काम बाकी है, ये कर लूंगी, इसके बाद आई विल पक्का डू योर वर्क. करेक्ट. देन okay, then the ball lies in her court. It is her choice whether to take my word or leave it, right? To take what I've told her, as in if she says yeah okay तुम अपना काम कर लो फिर हमारा कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. Now that will be a win-win for both. Correct. मैं भी खुश, वो भी खुश. Correct. मुझे हेल्प करने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी. Okay. Second choice is she will also be you know in a rush. Suppose if she's also in a rush and she also wants it immediately, urgently, तो वो क्या करेगी, नहीं यार मुझे ना तुरंत like I have to submit it ASAP, okay, or as immediately देना है मुझे भी. So it's okay, no worries, you finish your project and I will take care of mine. I'll ask somebody else, right? So now this is the choice that she has made. You have not told her a no. You know, I don't know how, but we are conditioned that we are unable to say no to people whom we love, right? But something like this, okay, something like this, when you put across very nicely, politely, okay, we are just putting it across in a way that we are protecting their values and rights as well. We are not violating them. हम अगर मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ, are you crazy? You can't see I'm doing my work now. If I respond like this, तो वो जिंदगी में मेरे पास कभी वापस नहीं आएगी, right? Correct. So we have to say it and put it in such a way that it protects the other person's values as well, and our relationship is maintained. That is called being assertive.
मैम एक छोटा सा डाउट था.
Yes, go ahead. Who's this?
This is Piyush again.
Okay, Piyush.
So actually I really want to improve this thing in myself, but I am totally unable to do this. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है हम किसी सिचुएशन को कर रहे होते हैं, हमारे तरफ से उसका नजरिया अलग होता है और सामने वाला जो नजरिया जिस चीज को डालना चाहता है वो हमें लगता है कि बहुत सिली सा है, क्योंकि अगर वो हमारा सीनियर है तो हम उससे बहस नहीं कर सकते या उसको हम बहुत ज्यादा आर्ग्यू उससे नहीं कर सकते.
So
and
what is the
because
question
of some
here? One second, I just
question
missed
is how we can improve this thing.
Improve what? Piyush,
if someone is doing something in a very different manner, if someone is doing something in a very different manner and that doesn't suits you, और या वो आपके वर्क स्टाइल को सूट नहीं करता है, but still you have to do. अब आपको करना है तो आप उसको बड़ा कैजुअल करोगे या टाइम उसको कंप्लीट कर दोगे किसी तरीके से, but that will give you a disturbance in your mind. How we can improve that thing?
So you choose ना कि आप you know, you choose how to respond. Again, that is in your choice. अगर आपको पता है कि करना तो है ही, correct? Now अगर आप उसको burden लेके करेंगे, okay, तो it is going to bother you.
Yes.
But if it is going, if you're doing it कि यार, see, any which ways I have to do it, you rather find a better way. Okay, involve your creativity, involve your a better innovative way of doing it, involve the other person जिसके साथ उनको conflict है ना, उनसे जाके बात करिए. Clear communication 99.99% solves most of the issues. Clear communication. You have to be in that rapport. Now again, rapport building वो कैसे होता है? एक तो मैंने आपको बताया कि वो your map and that map. Meet people at their map. Don't stick to your maps. Are you getting it?
Okay.
Are you getting it? Yeah.
Madam,
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting.
Great.
We can approach the same person or the boss in a different way. Like, this is what I am thinking. What is your opinion about this?
Please be a little louder. And who's this? Please introduce yourself so that.
This is Sudipto.
Sudipto. Yes. Tell me so.
Yeah. Just some sentence came to my mind that if I don't like the task given to me, and I start thinking on how to do it in a different way so that I start enjoying the same thing, I put my thinking across the table to my boss and ask, this is how I think. And what is your
Exactly.
take?
Perfect. So what you can do is you can suggest. You need not impose it. The moment, as I said, you should put across your point. So even in a meeting, suppose you're not board of directors के साथ meeting में हो, you can only suggest. You just need to, just put your point across and then leave the decision to them. It is their choice. After that, you can tell yourself, what? Not my monkey, not my circus. मैंने अपना काम कर दिया, अब तुम जानो. Simple as that.
One thing is there for sure, I'm going to use this phrase very frequently from now onwards.
Yes, it works. Trust me.
Ma'am is saying you should behave like Narad ji. आने का बोल देगा नारायण.
Yes, Kavita, you can do that. Narayan bol diya, matter over. Anybody?
And this is Kiran here.
Yes, Kiran, please tell me.
Ma'am, the question that I have is, I am working at a managerial level in my professional life.
Okay.
However, in my personal life, I feel like a failure because since I'm not married as of now, my family and everyone's kind of taunting me, being sarcastic. So somewhere I've lost my confidence to the extent that I've stopped meeting people.
Okay. Kiran,
How do I
right?
tackle this? Yes.
Yes, Kiran, I think we should take this on a personal level. Okay, I have put all my, I'll put my number as well. You can please get connected to me on WhatsApp on this, or, I can, we can deal it one-on-one. Ideally, it is not something to be spoken about on a public forum, right, Kiran? If you're okay, I mean, I'm absolutely fine, but I just feel, because this has to be tackled at a deeper level, Kiran. Okay, पहली बात तो आप अपने reins of control of your life should be in your hand, my dear, and not in the hands of others. They should be in your hands and not in anybody else's hands. Okay. Thank you, Tulsi Priya.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन है. आई एम श्वेता. मैम जैसे हमारी कोई फ्रेंड है, वो हेलो, आर यू हियरिंग मैम? हेलो.
Yes, Tulsi Priya, continue.
हेलो.
1 second. Hello. Can you hear me now? Can everybody else hear me now?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so I think that person who was speaking is on mute now. So Please,
Tulsi Priya.
Piyush, thank you so much. Tulsi Priya, come again with your question.
Hi, Tulsi here. It's not me. I just wrote in chat box only.
Okay, okay.
Someone
Sorry.
else next to me
Okay.
asked some question.
Yeah. Somebody. Please come back with your question. Or my number is there. You can probably, if I can help you out like this. In working environment, how to avoid comparison. Who's comparing? Who's the one who's comparing? Farida, thank you very much. Boss, Sudipta. So your boss is comparing. Let him compare. What is your problem? You do your work. That's it. Or if it is bothering you, why not go ahead and have a clear communication in a very, very nice and assertive manner? Or maybe we need to try seeing his perspective, or her, whoever your boss is, his or her perspective. Probably you'll get some understanding and clarity as to what is it that he's looking for, you know. Or you can always connect, my dear. All done with your question and answers? Can we call it a day then? Or I'm absolutely open if you want to continue also.
Ma'am,
for
you
few
are supposed to give examples of respond and react wala. आपको पहले याद करो.
minutes. Kavita, yes, definitely.
Please, thanks.
1 second. So, ma'am, after hearing hospital person, if you feel what is wrong, how to put across? If that person is wrong, you're saying, Ishwar Chand ji, आप बोल रहे हैं कि if सामने वाला गलत है तो?
No, ma'am. Like in case if like belief clashes or you don't match on the same point, so if you feel that particular belief is not right, so how to put across?
We don't have to manage their beliefs, na?
But like I'm just thinking, like in case if you feel like if your family member, if someone is having a belief which is not right, so you have to tell them that whatever you are believing is not right. Like you'll improve your family member, right?
Correct, but आपको improve क्यों करना है? वो खुद अपनी responsibility लेंगे तो see, I can take you to the well, but I cannot force you to drink water. Correct? See, we are not here to, we are not responsible. वो हमारा, उनका behavior हमारे circle of control से बाहर है. Right? We are, that their behavior is out of our circle of control. We have to change our circle. Why do you want to control their beliefs? Let them live with their beliefs and manage them if it's working for them. You have to see where you can change your perspective towards the same thing.
Okay.
So that it doesn't bother you. वो आपको bother कर रहा है, अभी अगर समझो, God forbid, but आपका behavior मुझे bother कर रहा है, तो वो मेरी problem है, आपकी problem नहीं है.
Okay.
Right? You understand? Is it possible that okay, so the boss is doing comparison to the guest, get the best out of both? So the boss has to communicate that, Anita, right? Hidden communication, or when we expect the other person कि वो समझ जाएगा, वो नहीं समझ पाते हैं. वो अंतर्यामी थोड़ी है जो समझ जाएगा. Welcome, Sudipta. Yeah. So, Kavita, I will go ahead to give you an example of reaction and response.
Yes,
Okay. So
ma'am.
there is a very, very famous story. Okay. There is समझो हम लोग we go for a dinner. Okay. Maybe an office or a family dinner or whatever. Okay. And we are a lot of people. Okay. And suppose कहीं से तो एक cockroach आके टेबल पे आ जाता है. ओके, डिनर के बीच में, नॉट इन द डिनर. अब वो बेचारे कॉकरोच को तो पता नहीं है कि मैं कहाँ बैठा हूँ. करेक्ट? एंड इट इज अ वेरी वेरी हाई एंड 5-star 7-star रेस्टोरेंट वेयर वी आर सिटिंग एंड यू नो समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपेंस. व्हाट कैन यू डू? कोई ना कोई तो होगा जो उसने वो देख लिया एंड वो all that drama starts there and there. Okay, and then that drama like a wave passes from one to the other and there is complete chaos. Correct? Complete chaos. Kavita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So there is complete chaos. Okay. Now, that entire peace, harmony of that situation, of that environment is gone for a toss because of this reaction. Correct? Itne mein waiter aata hai. ठीक है? The waiter comes. Now he has seen that there is a cockroach and neither can he do anything about it. Okay. So what does he do? He just stands there very calmly. In that drama, what happens is one of the persons was whatever shouting, yelling, and in that thing, in that fit of excitement, that cockroach was thrown and it came on the sleeve of the waiter himself. Okay. Now, what did the waiter do? He was very calm, composed. He stood there still. He observed the movement of the cockroach. And the moment he felt कि अब मैं इसको पकड़ सकता हूँ, हिलना डुलना बंद कर दिया, शांति से बैठा रहा कॉकरोच. बेचारे कॉकरोच को तो पता भी नहीं है मैं कहाँ बैठा हूँ, right? So he was very when he felt that the situation is under my control, he just picked up the cockroach with whatever a piece of cloth and he went and threw it out of the restaurant. And suddenly everything came to a standstill. The peace, harmony, everything came back. Okay? So that person earlier was doing was reaction. But what the waiter did was response.
Okay.
Can you get the clear difference?
Yes,
So,
yes.
Tabina, okay, this is again a very, very important technique which I tell my clients for anger management. Just take a step back and think, do I want to react to this? Do I want to be a soda can, or do I want to be a bottle of mineral water? Ask yourself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
मेरे पास तो बहुत हैं examples, but then it's a bit too short of time. So any which ways, we'll probably catch up again sometime. All right. Thank you very much. You were a lovely audience. We went to almost 94, 96 participants. That is very good. Thank you very much. And for any kind of help or consultation, please feel free to connect. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sukhmeet.
Thank you,
And-
Elroy, for making it possible. And for all the coordination. Thank you so much, Elroy,
was
and
wonderful.
Learners Conclave and the entire team. Thank you, Melisha, for the wonderful creative that you made. Thanks a ton.
And,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you very much, ma'am, for a nice facilitation. Thank you, ma'am. I mean, learned a lot about facilitation also.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So tomorrow's session is on cognitive development by Mr. Sushant Mysorkar. So
Okay.
would love to see all of you back again at 7:30 p.m.
Sure.
How can we get connect link and all? How can we get links?
Links to what, Kavita?
For tomorrow's workshop, like how can we get a link?
So you have my number, Kavita. Elroy,
Yeah.
you can once he sends it to me, I will pass it on to you. Just send me a hi on WhatsApp, and I will forward
I've
it to
already
you as
put
well.
my number.
And
so
Elroy
you
has
can-
put your put his number as well. You can connect it to them.
I'll send you the link.
Sure.
Dr. Sukhmeet, Sukhmeet, this was a treat in this Corona time, lockdown.
Thank you so much, Elroy.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
very
ton.
much for your wonderful
Thanks.
session.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
And have a lovely lockdown period. More constructive learning around. Great.
Ma'am,
Thanks.
thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
You too, ma'am.
Good
Thank you.
knowledgeable session.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
Thank you, Kavita. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am. It was amazing.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right. Good night. We'll close the session now.
Night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Anita.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for being a part
Catch
of
up with
this.
you personally. Pleasure.
Yes,
And thank
sure.
you so much for everything.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Sukhmeet, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm trying to go to the setting.